Welcome back to Turbo Rider, everyone. Today, we are talking about one of the most exciting adventure scooters in the market, the 2025 Honda ADV 160. This scooter combines sporty styling, comfort, and modern technology, making it perfect for both city rides and weekend adventures. Engine and performance. The ADV 160 comes with a 156.9 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine equipped with Honda's PGM-FI fuel injection system. It produces about 15.8 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 14.7 Newton-meters of torque at 6,500 RPM, paired with a smooth CVT automatic transmission. And yes, it comes with an electric starter. Design and styling. The design is what makes the ADV stand out. It has a rugged, adventure-inspired look with sharp LED headlights, integrated DRLs, and an adjustable windscreen. Honda offers multiple color options including matte gunpowder black, pearl smoky gray, matte dahlia red, and pearl bosphorus blue. Dimensions and capacity. Length, 1,950 mm. Width, 763 mm. Height, 1,196 mm. Seat height, 780 mm. Comfortable for most riders. Ground clearance, 165 mm. Perfect for uneven roads. Weight, just 133 kilograms, making it easy to handle. Fuel tank, 8.1 liters. Underseat storage, a massive 30 liters, enough for a full-face helmet and more. Suspension and brakes. The ADV 160 is built for comfort and stability. Front suspension, telescopic forks. Rear suspension, twin Showa shocks with subtanks. Brakes, 240 mm front disc with ABS. 220 mm rear disc. Tires, dual-purpose tubeless tires, 110/80-14 front, 130/70-13 rear. Features and technology. This scooter is packed with modern features. ABS and Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, for better safety. Full digital LCD display showing speed, RPM, fuel, trip, and more. Smart key system with remote start and alarm. USB charging port. Idle stop system for better fuel economy. Fuel efficiency. On average, the ADV 160 delivers around 40 to 45 kilometers per liter, depending on riding conditions. Price. In markets like Indonesia and Malaysia, it's priced around $2,300 to $2,500. If imported into countries like Pakistan or India, the price could go up to around 6.5 to 7 lakh PKR. Final thoughts. The Honda ADV 160 is not just a scooter, it's an urban adventure machine. With its powerful engine, advanced features, comfortable ride, and rugged styling, it's perfect for daily commuting as well as long-distance touring. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.